A groundbreaking genetic discovery could transform how we understand and treat osteosarcoma, the most common malignant bone tumor in children and young adults. Researchers at Cleveland Clinic Children's have uncovered a genetic mutation that significantly heightens the risk for this aggressive cancer, a finding that might revolutionize early detection and future therapies. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite decades of research, osteosarcoma treatments have seen very limited progress. Could this genetic link be the breakthrough we've been waiting for? Published recently in the Journal of Clinical Oncology, the study examined the genetic profiles of nearly 6,000 children diagnosed with various cancers, comparing their DNA to that of over 14,000 cancer-free adults. By leveraging comprehensive databases and advanced predictive algorithms, the research team focused their attention on 189 genes involved in key DNA repair mechanisms. What they found was eye-opening. Certain inherited mutations in DNA repair genes were more common in children with cancer, suggesting these genetic alterations increase susceptibility to specific types of tumors. Among these genes, SMARCA1 stood out as a particularly crucial risk factor for osteosarcoma. Around 2.6% of pediatric osteosarcoma patients carry inherited mutations in SMARCA1, which likely impair the gene's role in fixing damaged DNA, thus facilitating tumor formation and growth. Dr. Richa Sharma, a pediatric hematologist and oncologist at Cleveland Clinic Children's and senior author of the study, explained, "This insight not only enhances our understanding of the biology behind osteosarcoma, but also opens the door for earlier diagnosis and the development of targeted therapies tailored to the genetic makeup of the tumor." To put it in perspective, osteosarcoma usually appears in the long bones of the arms or legs and can present with symptoms such as bone pain, swelling or lumps, and bones that fracture easily. Although it is a rare cancer, with fewer than 1,000 new cases annually in the United States, the prognosis varies dramatically. Roughly 70% of patients survive if the cancer remains localized, but that survival rate plummets to only about 20% when the disease spreads beyond the original bone. The research was a collaborative effort involving prestigious institutions including St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, Mayo Clinic, and Kitzhofs Children's Cancer Center in Heidelberg, Germany, demonstrating the global commitment to tackling pediatric cancers. And this is the part most people miss. While these findings are promising, they also raise questions about genetic screening in children. Should we test more children for SMARCA1 mutations to catch osteosarcoma earlier? How do we balance the benefits of early intervention against the challenges of genetic testing in young patients? These questions are bound to spark debate among medical professionals, patients, and families alike. What do you think? Could genetic discoveries like this pave the way for better cancer treatments in kids, or do they risk opening up ethical dilemmas around testing and privacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get this important conversation started.